let's have a think about how we might change the objective and also change the cap. So at the moment, the cap is to get Adrian to leave.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's think of a different objective and different cap. So what might you try?
So maybe instead of getting him to leave, she wants him to come closer, maybe give her a hug.
Right. Why might she want a hug? So that's a really radically different cap that we had before.
Well, at the end of this, she'd be feeling vulnerable, and I mean, she still loves Adrian, just not in the way that Adrian loves her anymore. So maybe she does want comfort. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll try the monologue again, but this time you want to get a hug from him. So you want him to come over and hug you.
Okay.
Great. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old. At a birthday party at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. I didn't know why at first. I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was a fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on, and I didn't know what. And then, all at once, it hit me, and I realized, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried really hard to make it go away, and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls. And I've always liked girls, and I still like girls. So who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you've said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace it with someone I don't. Someone I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man? Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.